Hello everyone, my name is LiSin. Welcome to our channel. If it's your first time here, we're an US Army family stationed in Japan, so explore Japan with us. In today's video, we travel to Enoshima for my birthday. Enoshima is not far from Tokyo, it's maybe about an hour drive. And honestly, I didn't have a lot of wishes for birthday, so all I wanted is just a little trip with family and create some good memories. When we got there, it was about lunchtime, so we decided to go have lunch first. I found this place on Google Maps. I think it's pretty famous from the review, and it's called Sukiyaki Chikayo.
No, I hope not.
Go ahead.
Hello, 2 okay? Yeah, okay, thank you. Hey.
If you don't know what sukiyaki is, it's basically a type of hot pot. It's known for their sweet and salty flavor. It's seasoned with shoyu and sugar.
Okay.
This one, the light is this one.
Okay.
The premium is this or two more. Regular.
2. Okay.
Yes, these two. Premium two, regular. Large two, the regular
So
one.
2 large, 2
Yes,
premium, 2.
two. Then yes, regular this one, light this one.
Okay, thank you.
You have 4 options: light, regular, large, or premium. Most people go for large, I think. The difference between each set is the amount of Wagyu beef you get. It's my birthday, so we both go with the premium one, which have 2 large slices of beef. So the set comes with rice, egg, pickle, and miso soup. First I heat up the pan to very hot and sear the beef on the pan. Look at all the oil come out from the Wagyu beef, it's just so yummy already. And yeah, this is the worst time to talk about cholesterol problems, so we don't talk about it right now, okay?
Do you have a lot of Taiwanese here?
No.
No? No? Really? Because I know you guys have a shop in Tokyo, Shibuya. Do you guys have a store in Shibuya? Or no?
Yes, second
You guys-
store.
Yeah. Okay. I think the second store, a lot of Taiwanese go to second store. Today is my birthday. So
Your
we
birthday?
come here for
Whoa.
celebrate.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
ざまに住んでるんだって。
あ、そうなの
Hi, military, Baekun.
あ、ベーグル。
Hey. Yeah, smell good.
Hi.
Thank you.
Hi.
So good. Delicious.
Very good.
I have to say, this restaurant only sells Wagyu beef for a reason. Because Wagyu beef is good enough for you, just eat it with rice. Wagyu beef is already very soft and juicy. Dip into the egg yolk and make it even better. And to be honest, this is not very difficult to make. But because of the simplicity of this, it gives us such a great experience. Are you troublemaker? Are you troublemaker? How much do you like it? 1 to 10.
9. The last sukiyaki place we had, I didn't love.
Oh.
This one was really good. Like,
Yeah.
even the egg, which I don't like, but it was good. I'm not a huge egg fan, but this one, it tasted really good. Plus they have red miso, which is the best.
How about you, baby girl? You're causing trouble here.
See, never. I'm a perfect angel.
If you guys ever come to Enoshima, please come here. How do you usually celebrate your birthday? In my family, growing up, the person who has birthday get to choose a restaurant to go eat at, and usually a pretty nice one. So after I chose that very nice Sukiyaki place, we decided to walk around Enoshima Island. We have been to this part of Japan, but we never ever have time to actually go to Enoshima Island. So I thought this is the perfect time. And yes, on the way to Enoshima Island, you can see Mount Fuji on the way. So yep, there's tons of clips about Mount Fuji. A big souvenir store and onsen hotel is welcoming you to Enoshima Island. I didn't realize how small Enoshima Island is until there's only one road on this island, so you cannot miss anything.
Wow. Miso soup with white bait.
Walk for like 2 to 3 minutes and you will see a super long line for this Senbei. It is super famous because they actually press a shrimp or octopus in the Senbei.
So many lines. You be careful for the windy day, because it might. Octopus cracker, baking octopus garlic flavor, shrimp cracker, blue cracker. I might want octopus.
Taco Senbei desu.
はい、1。普通の？海青のしてないから。
Sound of the fish screaming.
Hey, ありがとうございます。おー。So good. You wanna try it?
No, thank you.
At the end of the street, you can see this very big shrine that you can go up to.
Here, have a bite. Enjoy.
Wish we have fortune this year. Oh, I guess we will be poor this year.
We slowly walk back to where Enoshima station is, and we found this place that have waffles. I mean, I don't have cake this year, so I think this can count as my cake. I don't know about you, but to me, this is a perfect day that I could ask for my birthday. Good food, people I love, the view, and wonderful memories. This little thing really builds up, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye bye.